What's up, y'all? In today's video we are doing world's best hair growth products, and I'm going to share two products that have been like really changing my life because I mentioned in a previous video that I was having issues with my hair. Y'all know I do a lot of hair videos on this channel, wash days, hair straightening videos, all that stuff. And you also know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, if you haven't, make sure you check them out. I got, was it last year or 2 years ago, I got the Babyliss titanium flat iron, which goes up to like 450 degrees in heat. And so I would say the end of 2023, I went to get my hair trimmed. I get my hair trimmed every like 8 weeks. And my hairstylist was like, so sometimes I'll do it myself, my trim, sometimes I'll go to the salon. So my hairstylist was like, what's going on with your hair? And I was like, what do you mean? So she showed me a picture of the back, and my ends were like completely chewed and trashed. And if you know, if I can find a clip, I might insert it into this video just so you can see how beautiful my hair was, because I take really good care of it. But I really do think, I came to the conclusion that the Babyliss is what damaged my hair and like made my ends just so chewed and split. I'll try to insert a clip of the picture she took, how my ends were looking, and then a video of how my hair was before all this. But anyway, I was like, you know what, it's okay. I was stressed out. It's like my skin is fucking up, my hair is messing up. So I'm just like, it's okay, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm going to just get back on my routine, and I'm just gonna stay away from straightening my hair for a few months. And then I think when I go back to the Babyliss, I'm gonna still use it, but I think I'm gonna go down to a lower temperature once my hair gets back to a good place. Because I found that even though I use like heat protectant and all that stuff, clearly my hair was still damaged or getting damaged. So in today's video, we're gonna do world's best products for hair growth and hair repair. And so based on my research and from my hairstylist recommendation, I need to like really moisturize my hair. I've reduced the number of washes, so I've been like co-washing my hair most of the time instead of using shampoo. I only use shampoo at this point like once a month, shampoo my hair, and then every other moment I wash my hair. It's a co-wash. I'm still trying to figure out that routine, but we're going to be talking about these products from Feel. Okay, Feel. It's called Different Feel. So the logo, and y'all know I love me some TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So I found these in there. I've used they have like other products that I've used in the past, but we know that castor oil helps our hair grow. That's proven, and it's worked for me in the past. So I'm like, let me double up on all of my oils. I didn't bring down the other oils because I feel like the castor oil is more for the pro growth, which I'm trying to accelerate my growth so my hair can grow back and I can keep cutting more off. So I use other oils too, rosemary, olive oil, tea tree oil because my scalp has been tripping. But these two, castor oil, so I got the Jamaican black castor oil premium hair oil. So this is supposed to help thicken and works to help promote growth. So this here's pictures of the before and after. I honestly don't be trusting the before and afters when I see them on products or like Instagram pages that are supposed to promote growth. I don't be trusting the images because sometimes I think it's fake. Like, I work in marketing, so I'm like, sure. But then also I'm like, everybody's hair is different. It's also what you put in your body as well. So I just was like, let me try it. So I have this, I've been putting in my hair every night. And then I have this as well. This is the Castor Pro Growth Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It promotes healthy hair growth, anti-frizz, helps detangle hair, and then improves texture, whatever that means. This one also has the before and after. Side note, my nails have not been done in my last few videos because I feel like everything has been going wrong. My nails I was doing acrylic for a long time, for like 2 years, and then it just made my nails so weak when my nails naturally get long and strong. So I'm just, hair, nails, skin, everything is like on a revamp. It's on a like glow up stage. So yeah, but yeah, so I got both of these products to put on my hair every day, to grow my hair and to try to repair the ends of my hair. And I really do think, I'm not going to say world's best, like I'm not going to put this for this video as like a brand world's best, because I feel like, to me, it doesn't matter what brand of castor oil you use. I think just incorporating, if your hair is damaged or you want to grow it out, or it just needs a little help, it's struggling like mine right now, that's why I just had my little bun. If you see how shiny my hair is, it's the castor oil. I don't have anything else. I got a little jam on my edges, but for the most part, it's just castor oil in my hair. And yeah, like I said, I don't think like this different feel brand, like cool, if you want to look forward to buy it, go ahead, you know what I mean? But I feel like it doesn't matter what brand you get, just get castor oil. You know, you can put some in a spray bottle for your spray. Yeah, this has a bunch of ingredients in it, not just castor oil. So I'm not gonna read all of this. I'm just gonna show y'all how the ingredients look. And then the spray. So if you've seen any of my like world's best reviews on products, you know I really hate when products have like these long lists of ingredients that I don't really know what it is, versus just shea butter or castor oil. So that's a different story. I'm not gonna like dive into that, but I really do recommend that the world's best, or I would say world's best hair growth products, definitely Jamaican black castor oil is essential. It's worked for me over the years. It's grown my hair so much, and now that I'm in trouble, now that I'm in a panic because my ends are like, oh my god, yeah, I don't understand. Like, please, I hope I can actually edit the clips in so y'all can see how my hair naturally was and how it is now. It's a hot mess, and I'm just so sad and disappointed by it, because I'm like, my hair is falling out. Oh, and not only that, not only are the ends like frayed and like split and all kinds of stuff, every time I should have known something was up, because every time I was like brushing my hair or whatever, it was excessive amounts of hair coming out. And I think it was the heat damage. My hair was like weak and brittle from overly heating my hair. So it's like I'm at a point where my hair is falling out and breaking off, and my skin is breaking out. You know, it's clearing up now. Make sure you check out my how I get rid of acne video to kind of see how it looked, you know, a week before this, and I'll keep y'all updated on the progress. But it's like my hair is falling out, my skin is getting acne, my body is not where I want it to be. So it's so many things that I feel like are going wrong, but I'm in a phase where I'm just like, I'm gonna catch it, I'm gonna like fix it and work on it. I really do feel like one of the world's best, I'm not going to say the only or #1 world's best, but one of the world's best hair growth products is definitely black Jamaican castor oil. I've been using it for years. It's like an old school remedy. My mother used to use it on us. They used to use it on their heads when they were kids, and it's just a remedy that has worked for years and years. So get whatever brand you want. If you're struggling, try it out. Let me know if you have used it, if it's worked for you, or if it hasn't worked for you. If you feel like it's some strange reason it's like damaged your hair, let me know, but I doubt it. The only thing I will say about this journey to using Jamaican black castor oil on my hair every night is Y'all know I'm a straight hair girly. If you don't know, now you know. I like to wear my hair straight and like do a blowout and like just silky, blowy hair. But with this, if you're putting oil in your hair a lot, it's going to be heavy, it's going to be flat, and I'm willing to sacrifice for the next few months to get my hair back to a good place. So I'm not going to be wearing it out and flowy. I'll put my wig on. I got my wig conditioning right now. So I'll just be wearing my hair in like a sleek little bun, or braiding it up and putting it up under my wig for the next, I don't know, 3 to 6 months to see how it goes, to see how it's working. So that's the only downside. From TJ Maxx. I will continue to replenish these for the next at least 3 months. So we're in February right now, and I will, let's see, March, April, May. So by May, I will kind of like do a check-in. I gotta write that in my calendar. Do a check-in with y'all to let y'all know how my hair is doing. But yeah, anything is possible. If you're feeling like you're not looking like your best self, it's all right. It can get better. Just put a plan into action, and yeah, it'll get better. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning into this series, and I will see y'all in the next one.